Hello and welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is slow, clear, and easy to follow for English learners. Mia is visiting a new city. She wants to find a good restaurant near the train station, but there are too many places to choose from. Then she meets a friendly local man named Daniel. Together, they talk about local food, noodle restaurants, and what people usually eat in the area. Here is today's listening question. What food does Daniel recommend at the noodle restaurant? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. And when you know the answer, try writing it in the comments later. Writing your answer can help you practice English and remember the story better. Now, let's begin.
Wow, there are so many restaurants here.
Yeah, this area is very popular for food.
I can't decide where to eat.
I know what you mean. There are too many places.
Exactly. Every place looks good.
Are you visiting the city?
Yes, I arrived this afternoon.
Nice. Welcome to the city.
Thank you.
What kind of food do you like?
I like noodles, soup, and rice dishes.
Then you came to the right area.
Really?
Yes, people really like the restaurants near the station.
That's good to know.
This area is famous for noodles.
I love noodles.
Good. There are many noodle places here.
What do you recommend?
There's a small noodle restaurant 2 streets from here.
Is it good?
Very good. Local people go there all the time.
That sounds nice.
The soup is warm and the noodles are fresh,
That sounds really good right now.
especially in the evening.
Yeah, I'm pretty hungry.
I understand. Long travel day?
Very long. I took 2 trains today.
Then you need a good meal.
Definitely.
Do you want something quiet or busy?
Maybe something quiet.
Then I know a good place for you.
Really?
Yeah, it's small, calm, and very clean.
That sounds perfect.
People really like it because it feels comfortable.
I like places like that.
The owner is friendly too.
Nice. What do you usually order there?
Usually chicken noodles or beef soup.
Chicken noodles sound good.
Good choice.
Thanks for helping me.
No problem. I like talking about food.
I can see that.
So, do you want to check out the noodle place?
Yeah, let's go there.
Great. It's not far from here.
This street smells really good.
Yeah, there's good food everywhere here,
I can hear people cooking too.
especially at night. This area gets very busy.
Do you come here often?
Yeah, I usually come here after work.
Lucky you.
I like trying different restaurants.
Do you always eat noodles?
Not always, but the noodles are really good here.
I noticed many noodle shops.
That's true. People really like noodle dishes in the city.
What kind of noodles do people usually eat?
Chicken noodles are popular. Beef noodles too.
I like both.
Some places also have seafood noodles.
Oh, I like seafood.
Then you have many choices.
Too many choices, maybe.
Yeah, I understand.
What do you recommend for first-time visitors?
Probably chicken noodles.
Why chicken noodles?
The soup is simple and warm. Most people enjoy it.
That sounds nice after a long day.
Exactly.
Do they make the noodles fresh?
At the restaurant I like, yes.
Really?
Yeah, you can sometimes see them making noodles in the kitchen.
That's cool.
The restaurant is small, but people really like it.
Is it expensive?
No, not too expensive.
Good.
Students go there a lot because the prices are good.
That's always a good sign.
I think so too.
Do they have rice dishes too?
Yeah, they do.
Nice.
But honestly, I usually go there for the noodles.
The noodles are really good.
Really good.
You said that 2 times already.
Because it's true.
Now I really want to try them.
Good, we're getting closer.
Oh, I see more restaurants ahead.
Yeah, this next street is famous for local food.
Wow, there are so many people here too.
People line up for good food here.
Do you ever wait in long lines?
Sometimes, if the food is worth it.
That makes sense.
Don't worry, our restaurant usually moves pretty fast.
This place looks nice.
Yeah, this is the restaurant I told you about.
It smells amazing.
The noodles are really good here.
I remember you said that already.
Because it's true.
Let's look at the menu.
Sure.
Oh, they have many kinds of noodles.
Yeah, hot noodles, cold noodles, spicy noodles.
Wait, cold restaurant?
Hmm?
Cold restaurant?
Oh, no, not cold restaurant.
Oh,
I said cold noodles.
cold noodles.
Yeah, the noodles are served cold.
Really?
Yep. Some people like cold noodles in warm weather.
That's interesting.
Have you tried them before?
No, never.
I think you might like them.
Maybe, but I usually eat hot noodles,
Hot noodles are great too.
especially at night.
I agree.
The soup sounds really good right now.
Then hot chicken noodles are probably perfect for you.
Yeah, that sounds nice.
The soup is warm but not too heavy.
That's exactly what I want.
Good.
Do local people eat cold noodles often?
In summer, yes.
But not today?
Not really. Tonight is a little cool.
Then hot noodles sound better.
I think so too.
What about spicy noodles?
They're popular too.
Are they very spicy?
Some are very spicy.
Maybe not for me tonight.
Probably a good idea.
I don't want to cry during dinner.
That happens sometimes.
Really?
Yeah, I tried the extra spicy noodles once.
And?
Big mistake.
That's funny.
Now I usually order regular chicken noodles.
Honestly, that sounds perfect to me too.
Good choice.
Thanks for explaining the menu.
No problem.
I learned something new today.
Cold noodles?
Exactly. This street is really lively.
Yeah, it gets busy every evening.
There are lights everywhere.
And people everywhere too.
Look at that cafe.
Oh yeah, that place is very popular.
It looks crowded.
People line up there almost every night.
Really? For coffee?
Mostly for dessert.
I see the cakes now.
They're famous for strawberry cake.
It smells really sweet near here.
Yeah, the bakery's right next to it.
Wow, there's so much food on one street.
That's why people love this area.
Do students come here a lot?
All the time.
I can kind of tell.
Why?
Everyone looks young.
True, there's a university nearby.
That makes sense.
Students usually want cheap and good food.
Honestly, me too.
Then you're in the right place.
Oh, that restaurant looks nice too.
The barbecue place?
Yeah.
It's good, but usually very noisy.
Maybe not tonight then.
Yeah, I think you wanted something calmer.
Exactly.
The noodle place is much quieter.
Good. I'm feeling pretty tired now.
Long travel day and too much walking?
Definitely too much walking.
We're almost there.
Nice.
See that small sign over there?
The blue one?
Yep, that's the noodle restaurant.
Oh, it looks cozy.
It is.
And there's no long line.
That's another reason I like it.
Good food and no long wait.
Exactly.
I can smell the soup from here.
The soup is really good.
You said that again.
And I'll say it again inside too.
I believe you now.
Good.
Thanks for showing me this place.
No problem. I'm glad you like the area.
Yeah, walking around here is really fun.
Especially at night.
I want to explore more tomorrow too.
Then you should definitely come back here again.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Just one person tonight?
Yes, just one.
Right this way, please.
Thank you.
Here's the menu.
Thanks.
Would you like some water first?
Yes, please.
Sure, I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thanks a lot.
Are you ready to order?
Almost.
No problem. Take your time.
Actually, can I ask something?
Of course.
What do you recommend?
Our chicken noodles are very popular.
Someone recommended those to me too.
Then I think you'll enjoy them.
Are they spicy?
No, not spicy.
Good.
The soup is warm and simple.
That sounds perfect.
We also have beef noodles and seafood noodles.
I think I'll have the chicken noodles.
Good choice.
Can I have tea too?
Of course. Hot tea or cold tea?
Hot tea, please.
Sure.
Oh, and can I add vegetables?
Yes, definitely.
Great.
Extra vegetables are very popular.
Then I'll try them too.
Perfect.
So, 1 chicken noodle soup and hot tea.
And extra vegetables?
Right, extra vegetables too.
Great. I'll bring your food soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
This place feels really comfortable.
A lot of people say that.
I can understand why.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Then I hope you enjoy the food.
I think I will.
The noodles will be ready in a few minutes.
Perfect. I'm really hungry.
Long day?
Very long.
Then warm noodles are a good idea tonight.
Yeah, they really are.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Hey, you're finished already?
Yeah, just finished eating.
So, how was it?
Really good.
I told you.
You were right about the noodles.
The soup was good too?
Very good. Warm and simple.
Nice.
And the restaurant felt very comfortable.
I'm glad you liked it.
Thanks again for the recommendation.
No problem.
First, I was walking around the station.
Yeah, there were so many places.
Exactly. There were too many restaurants.
That area gets really busy at night.
Then I asked, what do you recommend?
And I said the noodle place was good.
You said people really like it.
Because they do.
After that, we looked at the menu together.
Oh yeah, the cold noodles.
Right.
You thought I said cold restaurant.
That was funny.
It was a small misunderstanding.
But now I know cold noodles are served cold.
Exactly.
Then we walked through the food street.
There were so many cafes and restaurants.
And so many good smells.
Definitely.
After that, I came into the restaurant.
And what'd you order?
Chicken noodles and hot tea.
Good choice.
The waiter also recommended extra vegetables.
Nice.
I'm happy I ordered them.
So, what was your favorite part?
Honestly, just walking around and trying local food.
That's the best way to explore a city.
I think so too.
Are you still tired from traveling?
A little, but much better now.
Good food helps.
It really does.
So, what's the plan tomorrow?
I want to explore more local places.
There are many good places near here.
I'm excited now.
You should try breakfast here tomorrow, too.
Really?
Yeah, the morning market is great.
That sounds fun.
I think you'll enjoy it.
Thanks again for all the recommendations.
Anytime.
Tonight was really nice.
I'm glad to hear that.
I feel much more familiar with the area now.
That's great.
And now I know where to get good noodles.
Most important lesson of the night.
Exactly.
What a nice and relaxing evening for Mia. At first, there were too many restaurants near the station, but little by little, she found a comfortable place, enjoyed warm noodles, and learned more about the city. You listened to many useful English phrases today, like, what do you recommend? That sounds good. I'd like, and people really like this place. Very good job listening and following the conversation. Now here is the listening question again. What food did Daniel recommend at the noodle restaurant? If you know the answer, write it in the comments. Writing in English is a great way to practice, and it can help you remember new words and expressions longer. And if this story helped you relax and practice English, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more calm and beginner-friendly listening practice. If you would like to support the channel and help us create more slow and relaxing stories, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you for listening today. Take your time, keep practicing, and we'll see you again in the next English Listening Story.